Hello guys, I hope you all are doing very well. I know we are meeting after a long time. Sorry for the delay. I really wanted to create the feedback video a long time back, but situation कुछ ऐसी हो गई जिस वजह से थोड़ा delay हो गया. I'm so sorry for that, but I'll make sure that in future I maintain the consistency and you get to see the regular videos on my channel. This time I'm not only going to restrict the videos, the review videos, feedback videos to Tata Motors itself. I'll be capturing the reviews from other brands too, so that it can become useful for you to decide which car you should buy, which are already existing in the market and the upcoming ones too. Okay, so I need your support. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and do like this video if you like it, and comment down below if you have any questions. So let's get started. As you have seen, the thumbnail is all about the feedback of the issues that I've been facing related to Tata before. So all the issues that I mentioned before in my videos are going to be addressed. That's I'm expecting as of now. So I'm on the way to the Tata showroom, though I'm not in my hometown, but I'm on the way to Tata showroom, and you'll get to see the whole journey, how things are being handled and how the issues are going to be addressed. Okay, देख लीजिए क्या हालत है. मैं जा तो रहा हूँ Tata workshop. Ideally I should have reached Tata workshop in half an hour, but currently there's a lot of construction work going on in my hometown, so I'm still traveling. There's a lot of mess around, lot of traffic, dust, COVID patients. I really need to be very safe, secure, and take all the precautions even when I reach the workshop. So guys, I just thought I should tell you the issues quickly, so that you should know that what is this video all about. So before I take my car inside the workshop, let me just tell you the issue that I'm facing. This is the gear knob. I'm able to shift the gear first, second, third, fourth, but the moment I turn, I try to put the fifth gear, then it's not happening. See, right now I need to just put little pressure to put the fifth gear. See, now it's happening. But yes, for sixth, again, there is some problem. It's getting stuck. So I guess there is some adjustment that needs to be done with its gear, like the shaft, and then after that it will be resolved. And the second thing is about the fog light. This is the switch. The moment I turn it on, fog lights gets turned on, but only single fog light is working. Most of the time both are working, but that's anyways an issue, and that needs to be get resolved. Okay, so right now my car reading is 8879. Once this car gets serviced, I'll share the feedback with you. Hello guys, so finally we have reached Tata Motors service center, and I guess as per the strict COVID guidelines, these people are gonna sanitize the vehicle before it goes inside for servicing. ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये किस तरीके से सर्विस यहाँ पे सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं. I'll just show you the proper video. ये यहाँ पे गाड़ी को सैनिटाइज करते हुए, क्योंकि as per COVID protocol it is mandatory and also required, because you never know, anyone can be infected, and this really helps the car to be the safe place to be in. And see how beautifully and in the right format these people are sanitizing the vehicle. So so far so good. As you can see at my back, the car is sanitized, and now I'm just waiting for the service consultant to check the problem that I've reported, and after that then they will take this car in their custody and will try to get the issue resolved. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. I'll keep sharing the update with you. गाइस आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये नया फीचर है, ये जो मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता था. दिस इज़ अ हिडन फीचर कि जहाँ पे फॉग लाइट्स आप जिस डायरेक्शन में इसका स्टीयरिंग रोटेट करेंगे उसी डायरेक्शन में फॉग लाइट जलेगी. अगर ये स्ट्रेट रहेगा तो इसकी दोनों लाइट्स जलेंगी, और अगर राइट रहेगा तो राइट में, लेफ़्ट रहेगा तो लेफ़्ट में. हाँ जी, और कभी कभी गाड़ी इस पे रिवर्स है ना, रिवर्स लगाने पे भी थोड़ा अटकता है ये. तो आगे पड़ गया. हाँ, अभी तो मैं भी आ रहा था, अभी तो मुझे भी चैलेंज नहीं आया इसमें. Hello guys, I'm at the Tata workshop right now, and the issue that I had reported before regarding the gear shift problem, I guess that's resolved as of now. The technician also took the car for a test drive and he did not face any challenge there. In fact, I am satisfied till now because he did some tuning in the gearbox shaft, and after which there is no problem. In fact, I also did not face that issue in the last 2 weeks I was driving the car. So far so good. I'm having a good experience so far. These people sanitized my car when I stepped into the workshop. Now they are cleaning it from the outside also, so that the car should go out as clean, okay, properly sanitized. And I'm still not sure about the problem with the infotainment system, because that voice command system is not working, but the service manager in the Tata workshop has assured me to escalate that issue to Harman so that they can check what is the actual problem that's occurring there, because the infotainment system has the most updated software in it, dated 19th January 2021, and in fact I checked with them, there was no other software launched after 19th January, so there could be some other issue maybe at the Harman infotainment system end. So the manager has already escalated the issue, and he said that he will keep me posted. If I have any update around it, I'll keep you posted on that. But so far so good. These people are good. These people have actually attended me very well. They have heard me out. They have really responded in the right manner. I guess the issue is almost resolved. I'm totally satisfied so far. If you still have any questions around the customer service or how to deal with them, what challenges you're facing, just comment down below and I'll be happy to respond to your question. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. अपना ख्याल रखिए. कोविड है बाहर, अपना प्लीज़ अपने परिवार वालों का और ख़ुद का ख्याल रखिए. प्लीज़ बाहर ज़्यादा मत जाइए अब तक ज़रूरी ना हो, और मैं आपसे जल्दी ही वापस मिलूँगा. मैं आपके लिए और वीडियोज़ लेके आता रहूँगा, रिव्यूज़ वीडियोज़, फीडबैक वीडियोज़, कंपैरिजन वीडियोज़ एंड वॉक अराउंड वीडियोज़. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया हो. अपना ख्याल रखिए. तब तक में मिलते हैं. बाय बाय. शब खैर.